Welcome to our Montessori classroom, where children learn through exploration and hands-on experience. In practical life, children engage in everyday activities like pouring, transferring, and caring for their environment. These purposeful tasks build independence, coordination, and confidence as they master real-life skills. Children freely express their creativity through painting, drawing, and working with different materials. Through singing, movement, and instruments, children develop listening skills, coordination, and a love for self-expression. In the sensory area, children explore the world through their senses. They work with materials that help them understand differences in size, shape, color, texture, and sound. In a Montessori environment, learning is interconnected. Each subject invites the child to explore the world with curiosity and purpose. Through botany, children develop a deep appreciation for plant life. They observe, classify, and care for living things, building respect for the natural world through hands-on discovery. In zoology, children explore the animal kingdom. They learn about habitats, characteristics, and how living beings adapt, fostering empathy and a sense of connection to all life. Geography brings the world into the classroom. Children explore continents, cultures, and landscapes through hands-on materials. For each continent, we've created different biomes. Deserts and grasslands to rainforests and tundras, helping children understand how environment shapes life across the globe. Language is woven through every experience. Children develop communication and early literacy skills through tactical, phonetic materials that make learning to read and write a natural and joyful process. Through concrete materials, children develop a deep understanding of math concepts. They don't just memorize numbers, they see them, touch them, and truly understand them. From counting and sequencing to math operations, children develop a confidence and concentration and a love for problem solving. You'll see children fully engaged, working at their own pace, discovering patterns, solving problems, and experiencing the joy of learning. Math and science help children make sense of their world, connecting logic and observation and discovery. In science, curiosity leads the way. They observe the world around them, making predictions and testing their ideas. In this environment, children are not just learning answers, they are learning how to think. In our Montessori environment, learning doesn't only happen inside four walls. It extends into nature, where children are free to explore, discover, and connect. Our outdoor classroom is a space for curiosity. Through these experiences, social-emotional learning comes to life. They learn patience as they wait their turn, resilience as they try again, and confidence as they overcome small challenges independently. Nature invites mindfulness. It slows us down, helping children become more aware of their feelings, their surroundings, and each other. Outdoor activities also support the whole child, encouraging movement, creativity, and joy. In this space, children are not only learning about the world, they are learning about themselves. And that is the foundation of lifelong growth.